Today, we're creating a Kanban To-Do app. It's simple yet functional. You can add tasks, move them between columns, to do, doing, and done, and delete tasks when completed. We'll explain everything step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll have a working app you can show off or expand further. Let's dive right in. Let's start by setting up our project. To create graphical interfaces, we first need Python's built-in Tkinter library. It comes pre-installed with Python, so no additional installations are required. We'll first create an essential app window. To do this, we initialize Tkinter with tk.tk and set some properties like the title, size, and background color. This gives us a window that's 900 pixels wide, 500 pixels tall, and styled with a clean dark background. At this point, if you run the code, a blank window will pop up. But don't worry, we'll add the Kanban board functionality next. Next, let's create the three primary columns of our Kanban board: to do, doing, and done. We'll define a reusable function called create_frame to make our code cleaner. When we call this function for each column, we pass in different colors to make the columns visually distinct. To do is red, doing is yellow, and done is green. Now, we need a way to add tasks to the to-do column. We'll create an input field and a button labeled Add Task. The input field lets the user type the task name, and the button adds it to the to-do list when clicked. The add_task function takes the text from the input field, validates that it's not empty, and inserts it into the to-do list box. If the input is empty, it shows an error message. Here's the function. Try running the code now and adding a few tasks. You'll see them appear in the to-do column. Now comes the fun part: moving tasks between columns. Each column has a button that moves the selected task to the next column. You choose a task from one column's list box. Then, the task is removed from that list box and inserted into the next one. Each column's button calls this function with the appropriate source and destination frames. Finally, when a task is completed, you can delete it from the Done column. This is done with the delete_task function, which removes the selected task and shows a confirmation pop-up. This function ensures you don't accidentally delete tasks without selecting one first. Let's see the app in action. I'll add a few tasks, move them through the workflow, and delete one from the Done column. Notice how everything flows smoothly. A fully functional Kanban task manager built in Python with less than 100 lines of the code. Please like, subscribe, and check out my GitHub for the complete code. See you in the following video.